Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, after COVID, this is the first time TCS conducted BPS examination on TCS ION digital centers, right? Here you can see TCS had also released the admit card. So in this video, we are going to discuss experience of one of our candidate who wrote the TCS BPS examination in center today. Also, in this video, we will discuss TCS BPS in hand salary, and also we will discuss about the cutoff of the today's examination based on the difficulty level of the today's examination, right? So this is the admit card which was released by TCS here. So you can see, so admit card TCS BPS hiring, and here the registration number was given, and then the candidate name was given, date of birth, and the examination center is on ION Digital Zone IDZ for Patliputra. That means this examination was conducted in Bihar. And then date of test, so Friday, Feb 3, 2023, reporting time 8 a.m. and test timing 9 a.m. to 10:05 a.m. That means it was for 65 minutes, right? Okay. Now, friends, as usual, today also in during the examination or before the examination, there was TCS server issues, but when you are writing, okay, from the center, then this is the advantage. What I mean, if there is any issues, then definitely the people around there will be able to help you out, right? Okay, so even though there were issues, but all of the students were able to write the exam properly, right? See friends, earlier what was happening, right? So during COVID, right, so there was online examination were there, and you might have heard about mass cheating and all, right? So that is one reason TCS has now started conducting the examination on center. Okay, so there was in center exam, and there was on screen calculator. That means when you are solving the questions of aptitude reasoning, if there is any kind of calculation, then you can easily use the calculator. So that on screen calculator was available, right? Okay, then if we'll talk about the timer, okay, so there was no per question timer, right? So for question number one, it will not be like 1 minute or 2 minutes like TCS NQT. So here, so timer is there, but it is there are three sections: aptitude, reasoning, and then verbal ability. So timer was there for the complete aptitude, timer was there for the complete reasoning section, and timer was there for the complete verbal ability section, but there was no question wise timer. Okay, now, so friends, you have to reach to the center on the given time, so don't be late. Okay, so don't be late, because once you reach to the center, then you have to go through the biometric things, and then they will click your photo, and then you will go and sit on your computer system. Okay, there registration number will be already there. Okay, so registration number will be already mentioned, and then you have to put the password. Okay, and then you will be able to log in, and you will be able to start the test. Okay, so as you know, so there will be crowd on the centers, so you have to reach an hour before, so that all this biometric, okay, photo click process, and you will be able to log in properly. Okay, then next, so friends, as I mentioned, there was three sections were there: aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. So according to the candidate, friends, even you can also share your experience in the comment section, and then we can summarize and make one video later. Okay, but according to the candidate, so aptitude, simple interest and compound interest, there were question. Time and work, there were question. Simplification, there were question, right? Okay, now if you'll see our channel, then I had released one mock test here. So TCS BPS smart hiring final mock test. So if you'll watch this video, so I have covered the question of SICI, time and work, and simplification. Also, if you'll check the videos here, like TCS 31st of Jan 2023 or TCS 30th of Jan 2023, so all these questions has been covered. So whatever videos we are doing on our channel, please do watch before you go and write the examination. You don't need any other preparation. Now, reasoning, so reasoning, figure based problem were there. So what kind of figure based problem were there, that also I'll tell you. So friends, here you can see one videos TCS NQT figure based new pattern problem. So here if you'll see, then I have covered here figure based problem, right? So there are a lot of figure based problem has been covered here. Okay, so if you'll go through this, okay, and then analogy problem were also there. I mean, this kind of questions were also asked. Okay, right, you see here. So there was question from the figure based problem: blood relation, syllogism, actually analogy I have written here, verbal ability, so this is my mistake. So analogy was there, and then syllogism were there, and sitting arrangement were there, right? And if we'll talk about the verbal ability, then synonyms, antonyms, and fill in the blanks. So more number of questions were from this topic. And friends, each and everything we have done it on our channel. The only thing is you need to go through it. Okay, see, if you watch our free videos itself, then you don't have to do any kind of preparation, so that you need to understand. Okay, fine. Now, and if we'll talk about the TCS BPS salary, then friends, the salary will be around 2.2 LPA, and in your hand, you will be getting 14 to 15,000 only, you can say. Friends, as you know, so BCom, MCom, so this kind of people can write this examination. Okay, see, if we'll talk about TCS system engineer, right? So, system engineer post, then you will be getting around 24 to 25K in hand. If we talk about the digital role, TCS digital role, because Ninja is having, NQT is having two roles. One is Ninja and one is digital. So for Ninja, you will be getting 24 to 25K in hand, and for digital, you will be getting 45K in hand. That means package here is 3.36 LPA, and digital the package is 7 LPA, and TCS BPS the package is 2.2 LPA. So you will be getting around 14 to 15K in hand. Now, if we'll talk about the cutoff of this today's exam, so friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you, so there is, as such, as per my information, there is no sectional cutoff. Okay, I might be wrong here also, but as far as I know, there is no sectional cutoff. And if you score 60%, see, sir, why you are telling 60%? Because see, when there was online examination, then you know there were mass cheating happening, right? So telegram questions and all those things were happening, and people were able to score more and more. But when there is actual exam, that time the actual talent comes out. Okay, so here you can expect 60% to 70% overall cutoff will be there to clear the TCS written assessment. Okay, TCS BPS written assessment. Okay, so friend, this was the overall experience, and you can see it's not like I have framed it. So I discussed with one of the candidate, got all the data, and that is what I presented in front of you. So even you can put, if you know, if you want to add something, put in the comment box, and then we can make another video. Okay, we can make another video putting all these things together, right? So that's all, friends, and this video will be also very, very helpful for the upcoming in center examination for either a smart hiring or for TCS NQT examination. Thank you. And if you like this video, then do share with your friends, like and do comment, so that more and more effort will go from our side. For making one video, it takes around 3 to 4 hours. Thank you.